All right, I'm back to my job site. Somebody else, electricians or whatnot, did their work. Now I'm back to bury the sweetest little trench in all of history. Listen, y'all, it's not midnight. It's like 5 o'clock. This daylight savings stuff kills a man. If you got more than one job, this daylight savings does not serve you well. That's for sure. All right, let me get the tractor. I'm going to leave you run. Where would you like them put?
That's over there by my panels.
Panel, will do. All right, it is getting late, so I'm going to go ahead and turn off this camera. But talk to the homeowner here, and I didn't do this work, but the whole purpose of moving this AC unit was cosmetic. And they put the AC unit down wrong. The label is here. The pipes are just out into the yard where somebody will run over them with a tractor one day. And there's trash in the hole. Now, they did do good duct work inside. They had some younger men here. I won't say boys, 20-somethings. Listen, I told the homeowner that they didn't get their money's worth. And to have the guys come back out here and run that up against the wall and church that up. Look at that thing. Right? You all agree? Pipe out in the yard. Power line just loosey-goosey. You know, there's electrical tape just sitting there. The dirt. It's like whoever was supposed to do that, there's a loose screw. I think whoever was assigned this didn't do it right and quit early. Must have been Friday. Yeah, it was, in fact, I think. Anyway. All right, so I'm gonna, obviously the trench isn't done because I might end up having to do shovel work after all to fix this up so they could spin that around and make it right. It's not right. And I trenched right against the wall where it was perfectly clear, run the pipe. And they quit in the middle of the yard and stretch it out. That, you know, gosh. And everything's so expensive nowadays. You should get quality for your expense, and instead, man, you gotta babysit contractors, skilled men. Come on now. I'm crabby about that. I'm crabby. I want consumers to get their money's worth. Nothing more, nothing less. I ain't asking for skilled tradesmen to, you know, pull money out of their pocket and pay people. But when you're charging 8, 10, 12,000, 20,000, you better put yourself $20,000 in. That's why I'm building my own house off grid. This really has me spun up. And that's not even mine. It needed to be better. All right, I don't mean to crab. Like, subscribe, follow me along. Bye. In a hurry in the country. Well, that's what you have. I do not like winter daylight savings time. I find it baloney. As a rancher, this is 5 o'clock. I need to get done with the job and go to work, right? This takes all that away from me. Well, there we go.